Guangdong Fengchi Printing Machinery Company Limited. The headquarters is located in the international manufacturing city of Dongguan, has a professional research and development center, modern production base, and first-class management system. Focus on research and development, production and sales. Product is the lifeline of the enterprise survival. Then product quality and innovation is the endless pulse. Adopt the latest pre-stacking structure with shaftless feeding transmission, the first patented leading-edge bottom feeder structure, full servo alignment, lifting, glue, pressure, and minimalist operating system. Independent, self-developed online bus control system create much higher efficiency.
Digital adjusting.
The electrical system is designed according to European CE standards, available for remote control and maintenance. One key operation, 2 minutes to change the job, with high efficiency. Fengchi Machinery has always strict quality control, with good materials, good reputation, deep trust for customers. Drive Fengchi forward constantly. Product iteration, professional, focus, quality, innovation, excellence, service to meet the greatest needs of customers. Constantly challenge the technical limits. Make the future of the industry full of infinite possibilities. 30 industry breakthrough patents, 24-hour quick response, 30 after-sales engineers, safeguard for your production. Fengchi, not a follower, only a leader. Fengchi is constructing an information, intelligent, systematic, standardization and automation platform